Are you panicking because your Roborock S7 robot vacuum doesn't recognize the dock or won't charge? What is the solution to this robot vacuum problem that baffles you? Do you need some help? Don't panic. Let's see how we provide solutions to our customers' robot vacuum problems. A customer walks in with a Roborock S7 robot vacuum that was not recognizing dock and not charging, and asked us if we could fix the problem. Look at this. When we tried to charge the robot vacuum, the dock got light up, but it could not charge. After a thorough investigation, we found the culprit: a faulty home base. So, we recommend home base replacement. But wait, look at this dusty fan suction. And other parts are practically having a dirt party. Dust and dirt can cause the robot vacuum to clog up, and the performance of the robot will be reduced. So we also recommend deep cleaning services. Our customer agreed to both recommendations and the transformation is underway. Voila! Look at how clean and shiny the inside of the robot vacuum is after cleaning. The once troubled Roborock S7 robot vacuum is now back in action. If you've got a robot vacuum problem, let us be your solution.